How to fix VirtualBox Shared Folder permission denied in Windows. 1. Check Shared Folder settings. To do so, enable Auto Mount option in your shared folder. 2. Install guest additions. Path, devices. Insert guest addition CD image. 3. Check then modify the allowed permissions of the shared folder, if needed. For starters, Google some ownership taking tool. 4. Allow access via terminal. To do so, run 2 commands as admin, sudo usermod agbbox $user, /media /sf_, shared _folder _name, 5. Add VirtualBox to permissions list.